Miss Tanya.
Hi, Sammy. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm actually going to bake cookies today. I'm so excited. They're my favorite. I love them so much.
I love cookies. They're chocolatey, and they're gooey, and they're warm.
Saying all my favorite things about cookies.
Now, here's my question. What's your favorite part of chocolate chip cookies?
Ooh, I think I like how doughy they come out. You just split them up and they're warm and they're doughy and then they melt in your mouth. Oh, I can't wait to make these cookies.
I love chocolate chip cookies. All right.
Well, let's get started.
Let's do it, Miss Tanya. I can help you?
Absolutely, I would love your help, Sammy.
Okay, so I've never cooked chocolate chip cookies before. Is that even the right word, cooked?
I think maybe bake.
Okay, I've never baked chocolate chip cookies before.
We can do it together. Okay, Sammy, are you ready to start baking some cookies?
Let's do it.
Boys and girls, are you guys ready? Great, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do when we're baking cookies is get all of our ingredients. Okay, so let's make sure we have everything here. Our ingredients today are flour, butter, 1 egg, baking soda, sugar, milk, and chocolate chips. All right, so our first ingredient is flour. We're gonna do 1 cup of flour. I think I'm gonna put a little more, just for fun. Let's see, all right, we got our 1 cup of flour. That looks a little low, but we're gonna pour it in and we're gonna get a little more. Oh yeah. 1 cup of flour down. Our second ingredient is going to be baking soda. We got 1 teaspoon of baking soda right here, and this is to make them nice and fluffy. We're gonna put that in with the flour. Next, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract so it tastes extra sweet and yummy. Oh yeah, I love vanilla extract. Makes it super sweet and yummy. Next, we're going to add a stick of melted butter. Ooh, already melted for us. 1 full stick is gonna go in here. Yes. Next, we're gonna crack an egg into the mixture. Ooh, I love cracking the eggs. Do it with me. Love the sound of cracking eggs. Now we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of sugar. This is the good stuff right here. 1/2 cup going in. Love it. Next, we're gonna do just 1 tablespoon of milk into our mixture. And now for the best ingredient of all, chocolate chips. Oh yeah, and guess we're not gonna measure, we're just gonna pour it on in. Ooh, should I do a little more? So now we're going to mix all these ingredients together. Ooh, we need a lot of muscle for this. One more big spin. I think we might be ready.
Those cookies are already looking so good. I can't wait to eat them. So what's the next step?
Yes, aren't they looking so good? So next step is we're gonna start putting the cookie dough that we made into small circles into the pan.
Oh, Miss Tanya, I can't wait to eat the cookies. I really, really want to eat them now.
All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and start putting them in the pan, like I said, in circles, little spheres. And I know you said, Sammy, that you can't hardly wait, and I can't either. They're gonna be so yummy. But something that we can learn while we're putting these in the pan is patience. Do you know what patience is?
Miss Tanya, I've heard about patience, but I don't really know if I know what patience is.
Well, let's talk about it. It can be a little hard to understand, but patience is what we call a virtue. It's a virtue that God taught us about in the Bible. Now, patience can be hard sometimes because oftentimes we want things right away, right? Like these cookies.
I just want to eat the cookies right now. I definitely have a hard time being patient. I usually want everything I want right away.
Yeah, I feel that. I feel that too. Boys and girls, do you guys feel that too? Where sometimes it's just hard to wait for what we want.
Miss Tanya, how do I learn to be patient?
Oh, that's a very good question. And you know what, Sammy? I actually have an activity for us that we can do together that might help us learn more about patience. Boys and girls, do you guys want to do the activity with us at home? Yes? Okay. Well, we're going to put our cookies in the oven, and while we practice patience and wait for the cookies to be ready, we're going to do an activity to help us learn more about how to be patient.
Cookies and activities? This is the best day ever!
Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, boys and girls, do you guys want to do this activity with me at home? Awesome! All right, if you have your pipe cleaners, go ahead and grab them now, and let's get started. Now, the first thing you can do with your pipe cleaner, boys and girls, is close it up like a circle. It's a good shape. You see that shape right there? And we're just going to twist the ends to close it together. And that's the first part of our glasses. Oh, this is so fun while we wait for the cookies, isn't it? Okay, boys and girls, now get your second pipe cleaner. I got my first one here. Now let's get your second. We're going to do the same thing. Close it up. And we have our second circle for our glasses. Now, patience is such a beautiful thing because it comes from God. It's a virtue that He taught us. Sometimes we don't know what God has in store for us, and we go to prayer, and He tells us, just wait patiently, and I'll tell you, waiting is hard, but we can always turn it around and do something fun while we wait. So here I have my glasses. Well, oh, this one tore. Let's try again. Not finished yet, but we have our two circles here, and now we're going to put the sides of our glasses on these two pipe cleaners. Oh, and guess what? I think our cookies are almost ready. I'm starting to smell them. I think maybe we have like 3 more minutes. Just enough time to finish our glasses. Okay, well, there's one side of my glasses. Let's do another one. Look, boys and girls, I have my pipe cleaner glasses on. I think they came out pretty good, don't you? How did yours come out? The cookies are ready. Oh, look at that. We waited so patiently, and now we get our sweet treat. And it was so fun doing an activity while we waited. Okay, Sammy, we finally get to eat our cookies, the sweet treat that we were waiting for. We did a really good job with patience, I think so. And now we can eat our cookies. Do you want one, Sammy?
Yeah, I want one.
I do too. Look at these cookies. I have one for you and one for me, Sammy. Here you go. Try that. Oh! They are so good, aren't they, Sammy? Really good. Chocolatey, too.
It's falling out of my mouth.
That was worth the wait. Sammy, how good were those cookies?
They were so good. Totally worth the wait.
Wasn't it? Oh, yeah. Boys and girls, I hope you guys enjoyed your cookies, too. They were really yummy, weren't they? Well, I hope you enjoyed your time with us today. It was such a lovely day. What did we learn, Sammy?
Patience? Cookies?
And the most important thing of all, that God loves us, and that's why He gives us these virtues. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for joining us today. We'll see you soon, and remember the most important thing, God loves you.
Bye.
Bye.